We're in my kitchen.
We're making something.
We're making vegan apple pie squares.
Yeah, we're doing it. This is what they're supposed to look like. So
Hopefully they will.
It'll be okay. Just kidding. We are getting wasted.
Yeah.
Family count.
I got an idea. Here's the coconut sugar. Healthy tropical coconut. My favorite kind of nut. Okay, so I'm just eating the coconut. Sugar, cause it tastes really good. Jade is gonna try it. Tell me
That's
what
hot.
you think.
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah. Vanilla extract bourbon.
Yeah.
This is called Madagascar bourbon vanilla extract. And that's the only kind of vanilla extract that I want.
It's bourbon time.
Bourbon time. I'm gonna bring this over here so that we can have it in the view for ya. And in goes the bourbon.
Good. Got the oil.
It wants it in.
Goodbye. You can use that to stir it. Look at that. I want that in me.
This looks very crusty. Where is the salt at? Quarter teaspoon, but I'm just gonna wing it. Now we need a whole cup of flour. I'm just gonna put this dirty boy in there. Said that before. I think you really just gotta like beat it.
Look at that. Oh my god. I want it in my stomach. Oh.
I need to go.
Oh my god.
Have fun in there.
Goodbye. Hello, little buddies. We have to peel them.
Yeah.
So,
Hi.
hey guys.
We're peeling.
Pelling. Oh, I can't say that because then what if Taya shows this to her mom? And then I just
And she doesn't know.
Pele.
Pele. Hi, Petra. This is a message for you. I love Pele.
Yeah.
Oh, yummy.
It's hot. Here's the crust.
Fresh.
It's moist. We're gonna do a taste test
Oh,
of the apples.
here we go.
Just dropped acid. Oh my god.
Well,
Tastes like an apple.
yeah, with a bit of flour on it.
Yummy. I love when it's upside down. That's fine. Hello, little buddy. Oh my god.
Away she goes.
Hey guys, we are waiting for the apples. Thingies. I think Moto likes you.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey
there, buddy.
How's it going?
Hey. There.
It is.
It's definitely not gonna.
It's not gonna stay together.
It's fine. It's well. It's not our shape.
No.
How do you rate it?
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
Me too. It's good though.